Brad Williams, Excel Prime. We're going to filter. Again, we're going to use a very simple filter, and then we're going to use transpose. Over here on your right is the narrative. Read it if you need it. Here's our anatomy. We have two examples. We have here in the darker green is example 1. Here is our second. Here's our data. What's our criteria? Excel doesn't use that word criteria. I do. This is what we're looking for. We want to filter by brown. Simple enough. Filters allows you to filter a range of data based on criteria you define. Well, I guess they use the word criteria. Hence, brown. All we're going to do is input that information right here. All we have to do is complete the first cell. Filter is a spill feature. It is an active function. All we have to do is get it correct the first time around and we're good to go. Here we have name ranges. We have member 173, C4, 4, notice C4 to L6. We have points C5 to L5. And we have team 173, C6 to L6. The question is, why are we breaking it down? Well, we'll see. We have our array, which is member 173, C4 to L6. Team. Note we have team. Notice here we have our include. Team, we have to identify team, and then what's our criteria? Well, we have to define. It's either brown or orange. That's it. And we just hit go. Filter is really, really nice. If we want to take this, there's a couple of different ways to do this. We could just grab this whole thing and go copy and then go right here. What happened? Well, we probably lost brown. See this reference here? We lost brown. If you look at what I did here, you see D2? D2 is in relative form. We have to do this. F4? Hit F4 if you want to put this in absolute or relative terms. I need that in absolute terms. I don't want that to move because it's our criteria. Grab this and copy, paste. Right here, you see where it has this angle here? Just put it there. It did not do what I wanted it to do. Why not? That's supposed to be the transpose. This might just be a control down. Let's try it again. Let's grab this, edit, copy, and then this is supposed to be transpose. Well, we're going on to step 2. All right. Here, we have to explicitly put in transpose with filter. Other than that, it's the same thing as our input here. All we're doing is nesting filter inside of transpose. Outside of that, we're good to go. Notice I didn't fuss with this F2. It made no difference here in this transpose. I still want to lock that up, F4, and input it, and still, we're in good shape. So Daniel, 7-1, brown, Shelley, etc., etc. That's it. That's just a quick overview. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.